Hi friends, so today we're going to make a popsicle stick bird feeder. So you're going to need some glue, popsicle sticks, and some yarn, but I don't have any yarn, so I'm going to use curling ribbon. It'll work just as fine. Make sure you put like a placemat down so that way you don't get glue all over your parents' teeth. Okay, so with your popsicle sticks, you can paint them different colors if you want. You can color them. However you want to decorate them is just perfectly fine. I'm just going to use them plain today. Alright, so first we're going to do is we're going to take a few popsicle sticks and we're going to make the base. So you're going to glue them like so. You can make it as big as you want. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. About that big. Now I'm going to glue them all together. So we're just going to just like that. Now I do it for the rest of them. Okay, so now that they're all glued together, so now we're going to take some more popsicle sticks and you're going to glue it like, so you're going to do one on either side and you're just going to go like this. You're just going to keep gluing, making a box like so. Okay, so you can choose to go as high as you want. I just went a little bit high. So now, once it dries, you're gonna attach string to it, and then you can put birdseed in it, and then you can put it in the garden for the little birdies to like eat. So this is how you make a bird feeder. Okay, so you can choose to go as high as you want with your popsicle sticks. I just went a little bit high, so it's gonna be a little feeder. Next, what you'll do is you'll attach strings so you can attach it to something in your garden. And then you would put little birdseed in it, and that way the birdies can eat. And they can land on here and they can eat all they want. So that's how you make a little bird feeder. Bye guys. Okay, so I had to take mine together because I wanted to show you how to attach the top. And it's still a little wet. So you're just gonna weed through some string through the little slats. I did it on all sides. You can do it however you want. This is just how I do it. And then gather them all together, just like so. And then I'm going to tie it. If you don't know how to tie, make sure you ask Mom and Dad to help you. So it looks like so. And then you just put some birdseed in. Alright. Bye friends, that's how you make a bird feeder.